Hey guys, welcome to my new listing. I am at 210 Macintosh in Centerville, Georgia. We are located in Grove Point, which is inside of Eagle Springs. And yes, you do have access to all of Eagle Springs amenities, the pool, all of that. This house is great. It has a 3-car garage. It's all brick, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 2,500 square feet. And it is gorgeous. I'm excited for you to see it. So let's go take a look. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me. This house has it all. If you like outdoor living spaces, there are 3 separate areas, great for entertaining. Please give me a call. I'll be happy to show it to you. You know where to find me. And until then, happy house hunting.